Hi, good morning students, and this is lecture number 6 for class 10th. Chapter is triangle. Chapter is triangles and topic questions based on criteria for similarity of triangles. Criteria of similarity of triangles. Triangles. Okay. So let us start. Now first question we have example number 4 from the NCERT book. In the given figure 6.29, so figure is in the given figure PQ RS O. In this given figure, PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is parallel to RS. And what is given? Prove that triangle POQ. To prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. So in this we have to show SOR. Naming is very important. SOR. Triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. So here, since PQ is equal to RS, so this is the transversal supposed to be angle 1. This is angle 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. And this is supposed to be 5, this is 6. So here, if we see, then angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angle. Similarly, 3 is equal to angle 4, and this is also alternate interior angle. And next is angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Next one is angle 5 is equal to angle 6. This is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now, so these all angles are equal. That means in both the triangles, there are 3 corresponding angles are equal. Then by AAA, so by AAA criteria of similarity, triangle POQ is similar to triangle RSOR. So this is the solution of this particular question. Now next we have to see example number 5. Observe in the figure 6.30 and then find angle P also. What we observe, first of all, we make the figure. In example number 5, we make the figure. So figure is ABC. This is 3.8, 3 under root 3, this is 80 degree, and this is 60 degree. Now PQR, naming is very important. So PQR 12, 6 root 3, this is 7.5, this is 6. In triangle ABC and PQR, you have to find the angle P. So we need to find this angle. So if these two triangles are similar, then all their angles are equal. So first of all, we find these are similar. So how? So we find the ratio in triangle ABC and PQR. If we consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR, so naming is very important. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and AC upon AC upon AC upon PR, AC upon PR. So AB is what, 3.8 by PQ is 12. Okay, AB is 3.8, PQ is AB upon PQ. So PQ is 3.8, this is 7.6. AB upon, suppose PQR, AB upon PQ. In this triangle AB upon RQ. So BC, AB upon RQ, AB upon RQ. Triangle PQR. Yes. R in this triangle AB upon RQ. This is AB upon RQ. AB is 3.8, this is 7.6, this is 1 by 2. And BC is what, 6 upon PQ. PQ you had to write here, so 6 by 12, 1 by 2, and AC upon PR, this is 3 root 3 upon 6 root 3. So we see here, we see AB upon RQ, this is 1 by 2, BC upon PR, BC upon PQ, this is 6 by 12, 1 by 2, AC upon PR, this is also 1 by 2. So we see AB upon RQ is equal to AB upon RQ, BC upon PQ, and AC upon PR. So by SSS criteria, triangle ABC is similar to RQP. Hence, angle C must be equal to, all angles are equal, but angle C is equal to angle P. So this is 180 minus 40. Angle C is nothing but 180 minus 40. 140. So angle C is nothing but 40 degree. Why? Got 60, 80, and this is 40. So 40 is equal to angle P. So angle P must be equal to 40 degree. So this is the solution of this particular question. So next, Example number 6 and 7 you can do yourself. And now example number 8. We are going to see example number 8. So see example number 8 from the NCERT. Example number 8. What is example number 8 now? In figure 6.33, so first of all we make the figure. This is the figure ABCM. ABCM is there, and now this one is the another figure. Maybe it is clear. Yes, this point is PQR. PQR. This is N. So what are the M and N? CM and RN are respectively the median of triangle ABC. These are the median of triangle ABC. That means this equals to this and this equals to this. Triangle ABC and PQR. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then prove that. What is given here? Given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so we have to show triangle AMC to prove triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. We need to show triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. And second, this is the first question. Second question is CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ, yes. And third one is triangle triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. So first question we are going to see how to prove. Since triangle ABC, now proof of first question, prove it. Here what is given? Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, so AB upon PQ, BC upon CR and AC upon this PR. So this is the condition, that is C upon RP or AC upon, and also angle A is equal to angle P, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So in triangle AMC, if we see, so angle A is equal to angle P, R and P, and P and R, and this, and also AB PR upon AC. This is the condition. Okay, and this AB upon PQ, this is also in the same ratio. So median, that means AB is nothing but 2 times AM and PQ is nothing but 2 times NP. So PQ upon NP also we get. So by SAS criteria of similarity, side angle and side angle and side, we have to show, we need to show, we already show this AMC is similar to PNR. Okay, now next one is CM upon RN. Yes, CM upon RN AB upon PQ. So AB upon PQ, it is already given. Since these two triangles, that means AMC and RNP, these are the similar triangles. That's why CM upon RN, this is also in the same ratio as AB upon PQ. Okay, and last one is triangle CMB is similar to RNQ. CMB is similar to RNQ. So the same manner, in the same manner where we saw the first question, apply the same method, we will get triangle CMB is similar to the triangle RNQ by SAS criteria. Why it is? Because this angle is equal to B. B is Q, this angle, and also this side upon this side, they are proportion, in the same proportion, and this side are equal to this upon this side, this is also in the same proportion. So because of median, MB is 2, AB is 2 times MB, and PQ is 2 times QN. So MB upon QN we get. So in this manner you try to solve the question based on the criteria of similarity. In next lecture we have to see more questions, next topic and more questions based on this, and also we just prepare PDF for you. So as soon as possible you have to send. Maybe for arithmetic progression you get the PDF. Thank you.